Our next guest has had a very busy year launching a new mining business as well as still holding the CEO of a silver producer. Joining us now at Gold Stock Analyst Investor Day is Keith Neumeyer, CEO of First Majestics Silver and Chairman of First Mining Finance. Thank you so much for being with us, Keith.
Well, thanks, Daniela.
So a lot has happened since last year, the last time we spoke. You guys acquired Silvercrest Mines, which proved to be really positive for you with the Santa Elena mine. Let's talk a little bit about the past year.
Sure. Well, 2015 was definitely a high for me in my career. I've never once bought 5 companies in one year, so it was quite an eventful year. You know, for First Mining, we were able to get 3 really good assets, and First Majestic, the Santa Elena mine that came to us. It was just an amazing coup for us. Here's a company that was quite well run, and they had de-risked the asset substantially, and we've been watching it for quite some time, and the stars just aligned, and they wanted to do a merger, and it was a friendly deal, and here's a company that had $30 million in cash in the bank. They invested $90 million in the mine and mill, and we paid $105 million for it. And so we basically got the silver in the ground for free.
So what are your goals for 2016?
Well, to continually cut costs. The costs, we think, I'm not sure if your listeners have been following our Q4, but our Q4 numbers were extremely good.
Yes.
With the help of Santa Elena. Our costs are around the $10 area now.
Which you brought down from
over 20.
Right.
Right, and so all the work that we've been doing over the last couple of years just all of a sudden paid off in the last half of 2015. So it was really good for us, and we've really proven to the marketplace that, the stuff that we've been doing for the last 2 years, it worked. And I think that was an important thing for us, and the analysts have really taken note of what we accomplished in Q4, and they're really watching us now. So I think, Q1, Q2, 2016 is important just to, to really still remain focused on cutting costs. I'm not about to rejoice yet, even though the metal prices are looking a little more interesting, but, I still think it's time to be very conservative.
Well, what are your thoughts on the current price environment? Silver, had a good start here since the start of the year. It's come back down a little bit from last week. Are you bullish silver, neutral, same as last year? Well,
look, I've always been bullish silver. I think the supply-demand fundamentals for the metal are extremely good. Unfortunately, we don't see it showing up in the price. And gold has outperformed silver, so far, year to date, which is unfortunate. We did, fortunately see silver get up into the mid-15s, which is nice to see. And I think we have seen the lows in both gold and silver. I don't think we're going to go back to where we were, at the end of last year. But at the same time, as I just said, I'm not about to, rejoice this move, because we saw the false start in 2014, we saw a false start in 2015, and I'm just kind of crossing my fingers that we're not having a repeat of 2015 all over again.
You started a new initiative last year, First Mining Finance. What made you decide to venture out into that?
Well, I put together First Quantum Minerals back in the 90s, in the early 90s, and I put together First Majestic Silver in the early 2000s, and what made both of those companies is I bought assets at the bottom of the market. And you can never time exactly where the bottom of the market is, but I know we're darn close. So I had to put together another company because I was just compelled to do it. The valuations that we're seeing right now in the marketplace are just crazy. We could buy good quality Canadian gold assets for less than $10 an ounce. I've never seen that in 30 years I've been doing this.
Yeah, wow. Well, Keith, on that note, I wish you best of luck for 2016. Continued success. Thanks so much for being on the program.
Well, thank you.
And thanks for watching our coverage here from Gold Stock Analyst Investor Day. We'll have more for you in the coming days from the BMO conference, so be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com. Thanks for watching. Keith, thanks so much.
Okay.